Hello everyone, today we will be talking about diminishing marginal returns. I'll use the example of a Starbucks to serve as a real-world example as we take a dive into the concept, and we will get a better understanding on the topic by the end of this video. Firstly, and most importantly, we need to understand what diminishing marginal returns are. So let's look at an example that I found from the video by Course Hero, illustrating the law of diminishing marginal returns as the observation in the short run that each additional unit of a production input holding all other inputs fixed will yield progressively smaller and smaller increases in output. So that's not exactly the easiest thing to understand, so let's work through an example where I'll be using Starbucks to illustrate this effect. In this example, input is going to be number of workers and output is going to be profit. At first, as Starbucks hires more workers, their output and profit increase with the amount of workers. We call this the stage of increasing returns. However, as Starbucks continues to hire more workers, the benefit of each worker starts to decrease. The Starbucks' production starts to exhibit diminishing marginal returns. This means that the benefit of hiring each new barista becomes smaller and smaller. This happens mostly due to stuff such as overcrowding, where the amount of workers exceeds the amount of space that is available, and workers are left with nothing to do. Eventually, Starbucks will reach a point where they have to think at the margin and consider if the cost of hiring one more worker exceeds the benefit of hiring one more worker. Therefore, Starbucks decides to strike a balance. They hire enough workers to ensure quality and to meet the customer's demand without overstretching their resources. By making informed decisions about their inputs, Starbucks can maintain high-quality products, keep customers satisfied, and maximize the profits.